So hey guys, I'm SAYAN GHOSH. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll show you how to text like this and this on your images with the help of Snapseed. So here we go. So at first import a photo by clicking here. So as you can see, there are three options: styles, tools and export. So now you need to click on tools and click on text. And now click on the text and write anything you want. So from here you can change the color of the text, lower the opacity or change the font you want. So let me resize it. Yeah, this is looking good, and hit OK. So now as you can see, I have applied the text on the image, and now you need to erase the text. So click on this option, view edits, tap on the text and click on this. Yeah. So as you can see, there are two arrows, a down arrow and an upper arrow. So upper arrow basically heals the text and down arrow basically erases the text. So now rub the area on where you have applied your text. Like this. Yeah. So now zoom the photo to get more better results. Yeah. And now click on the down arrow 4 times to make it 0. And rub the area you want. And if you think that you have erased the text a bit more, then no need to worry, tap on the upper arrow 4 times to make it 100% and heal the text. So after doing this, hit on OK. So this is the before and this is the after. Pretty cool, huh? So this is how you can text on your image and make it more interesting. So if you want, you can tag me on your Instagram post and I would love to check them out. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and see you guys in the next video.